But I'm not going anywhere. Here I am, right there. Right there, put a bullet through it. You understand? I'm going to go meet the sheriff. You back down or you kill me now. Go ahead, put the bullet through me. I don't care.
Where's Ryan?
I'm going to go meet the sheriff. You do as you damn well please.
What for?
Well, I'm going to ask them if they want to go out.
What for? Why are we getting
You want out?
What for? What are we getting out?
Who are you? Yeah, who are you? Who are you? Who are you?
Oregon State Police.
Okay, well, I'm going over to meet the sheriff in Grant County. You can come along with us, and you can talk with us over there. You can go ahead and shoot me. You put the laser right there, put the bullet through the head. Okay, boys? This is going to get real. You want my blood on your hands? Get it done, because we got people to see and places to go. No, I don't.
You need to back off.
You need to back off.
Where in the heck is Ammon?
They pulled him over.
You shouldn't have ever stopped.
Did Ammon?
You're wasting oxygen, son.
Where they got a...
What? Oh, did they have Ryan? Did they arrest him?
I don't know what they
Shouldn't
did.
have got out.
He shouldn't have got out.
I'm not turning over. I'm going into Day County. I'm going into Grant County to see the sheriff.
Well, if we duck and you drive, what are they going to do? Try to knock us out? How much further we got to go?
To shoot your tires
We
out.
got about 50 miles.
Could we?
Okay.
Tell them to approach the vehicle.
Okay.
And Ryan's talking to him, right?
Okay.
Is he talking to him?
I can't tell.
I can't even see him except the guy behind the door that's got his gun on us. Say we have kids in here.
We hold each other.
Okay, who can we call?
Start calling.
I don't have service.
Call that sheriff.
I probably do.
I call.
Here, turn that down.
Okay.
Where's my phone?
Hey, boys, you better realize we got people on the way. You want a bloodbath? It's going to be on your hand. We're going to go see the sheriff.
Call Joseph Rice.
You better understand how this thing's going to end.
What's the number?
I'm going to be laying down here on the ground with my blood on the street, or I'm going to go see the sheriff.
You don't have any?
We got people en route.
Yes, we do. Hold this. Hold
You're
this
wasting
camera.
your oxygen.
Hold this camera. Listen. Okay. Take pictures. Keep an eye on him. All right. Keep an eye on Lavoy.
Can you take pictures and still have it
it's going.
recording?
It's recording
Okay,
now.
cool.
Okay. No.
Okay, what's his number?
I'm looking. Just a minute.
You need to back down.
We don't have any service. We have no service here.
Start calling people. They did it because there's no service here.
Yeah, they got it.
They know it. There's no service here at
We
all.
should never have stopped. We should
Yeah.
never have stopped.
I'm going to keep going.
Then we have to duck.
I know.
What are they going to do with Ryan?
Okay?
If we take
We
off,
need
what
to
are they
get
gonna do?
Ryan
Shoot-
back.
Shoot your tires out?
Most likely.
Okay, Ryan Ammon.
Why
Where's
did they pull you
We'll go
over?
get help.
There's no service here.
just because.
Okay, you ready?
Well, where's those where's the
They
guns?
got him stopped. He can't get around it. I'm going to go. You guys ready?
Okay, get down.
Then you duck
Get
down.
down.
Give me that
Okay.
camera. Okay, give me this camera. Go. Got it.
Are they shooting?
Got it. Keep going.
Okay, what about Ammon and those guys?
We can't get around him. I'm going to go get help.
Okay.
Stay down.
Wait,
Stay down.
I need
Stay
a phone
down.
so I can call as soon as I get service.
Wait up. Yeah, keep watching the phone so if you get any
I
service.
don't have my
I can't even get Joe Rice.
Coming up fast.
Yeah, they are.
Okay, I don't know about numbers.
Well, I got numbers, but I can't call because we have no service.
Okay.
No, mobile network not available.
Do you have numbers for people here in town?
Yeah, but
Hang on.
Okay, they're shooting.
Hang on.
Okay, we're here.
Go ahead and shoot me.
Down. Trying to.
Shoot me. Go ahead and shoot me.
Stay down. Stay down. Stay down. Stay down. Stay down. Damn it. Are they shooting him? Did I shoot him? You assholes. Oh my God! Hold still. Hold still. Stay down.
I can't
Is
get
he
out.
dead?
Don't get out.
I'm EMT!
Stop it.
Are you hit?
No, hold on. Hold on. Don't do anything. Hey, no shooting. Don't do anything. The door is shut. Where the hell is Lavoy? Down.
I can't see.
Shut up. Stay down, Ryan.
Oh, God!
Ryan, stay down. Stay down. Oh, shit.
I think they just
Keep
killed
down.
the boy.
Did they kill him?
I think they did, and they're shooting over here on this door.
I got hit too.
Okay, hold still.
where did you
I
get
don't
hit?
know. It didn't.
Hold still. Hold still.
not
Ryan, where
bleeding.
did you get
Hold
hit?
still.
I'm not bleeding.
Okay, don't shoot
Where
us.
did you get hit, Ryan?
I'm okay. It's on
Okay,
the
I'm
shoulder.
gonna take some.
It's okay.
I'm taking some. Keep down. Oh, shit. Well, I don't know. Get out of the car. How are we supposed to get out of the car?
Did they tell us to get out of the car?
No, I can't hear anything. I don't dare get out of the car. Oh, shit. Quit shooting the windows.
Where are they shooting
They're
them?
hitting the windows. I don't know. They're trying to break our window.
God, keep us safe, please.
Please, please protect us,
Please,
God.
God. God.
Please protect us. Please protect us. Please protect us. We need help. We need help. We need help.
Did they kill him? They killed
Oh, I
him.
can see. I can see a laser coming in.
They killed. Oh my God, they killed him.
Okay. So where's the rest of everyone?
Are you okay?
Oh, yeah,
I can see lasers going by.
Where did you get hit?
I'm okay.
He's got
He's
lasers.
got a laser.
Keep your head down. I can see the laser. If you see a laser, keep it away
Dude,
from us. There's a laser on your knee. Stop! I don't dare get out because they'll shoot me.
I know.
Okay.
I don't like hunker down here either.
Me either, but I don't know what to do because
I don't know.
they keep shooting lasers at us.
Get too stinking lax. Think things are just all dandy and fine. We got too damn lax.
Yeah. Damn, why do they keep shooting?
I'm
Why
trying to take my head off. I was looking through.
I know, but all of us? Stop! Stop! Stop!
Please!
Stop! Yes. Ah! That's ridiculous. Because you're stupid. Are you going to kill all of us?
Keep us safe.
Father, please. Protect.
Those were gas rounds.
Yeah, they're good up your nose, but... Do we get out? Do we get out?
No, don't get up.
I can't breathe. I can't breathe. Okay. Okay.
God.
Okay.
God. Please keep
Okay,
us safe.
Okay, they got lasers still on us.
we got lasers still on us. Lavoy got out. I think they've killed Lavoy. They just shot gas rounds into the car. We're hunkered down in here trying not to be shot.
He's shooting at the window. He's shooting at the window.
Shooting more gas rounds. The gas is getting pretty thick in here.
God. Please.
Anyway,
You didn't get out. I don't dare get out. Will they shoot me?
yeah, they'll shoot you.
Hang on, I'm gonna get out. If I get...
Anyway,
Can we put a white flag out?
Yeah, I would put a flag out. Let's put a flag out.
Do we have a white flag? We have...
I'm not sure what they got. What you got?
There's a laser shooting right over here around this.
Okay. The gas dissipates.
He's trying to break this window. He's trying to break the window right now.
Okay.
Does anybody have anything white? Does he
I
have
don't
a
know.
wiper on?
I can't get my shirt off. He's a laser trying to shoot this window.
Daisical.
He's got this window open here.
Speak to people. Anyway, they ambushed us on the way to John Day. And now they're shooting into our vehicle. And we're hunkered down. We do not have phone service at this location.
I surrender! Can we just surrender?
Okay, open the left door. Let's get out.
Okay!
That's you, Ryan. I don't know if you can get out. You get out first. Let her in first. Let her out first. You go first. You go first.
Please don't kill me!
Good. Go.
Okay, I get out.
Okay, get out.
Okay!
No, he'll shoot Ryan first. He'll shoot you first, Ryan. Hands up. Hands up.
The boy's dead.
Shit. Okay. Okay, go. Okay, hands up. Okay, go. Let him see to hold still.
You said
Okay.
wait, I can't go yet.
Okay.
Yeah, okay.
Okay, hold on, son. Hold on, sis. Hang on. Oh, no, I'm sorry. Okay. Okay. I still got my camera on.